What's up, everybody? Today, Mitchell is back at it again with another Roblox video. So, make sure that you guys like and subscribe this video, or else a spider will come into your room at night at 3 o'clock in the morning. Right, Mitchell?
Bro, what was that?
I don't know, I just like to have my intros that way.
I guess. Yeah, I don't really care.
Alright, well.
So today we're playing Cabin Crew Simulator. And as I speak, we're about to go in a Dash 8. Now I gotta go to... I'm gonna invite one of these guys. Sorry if I'm spinning right now, but it happens a lot to me on Xbox. Alright, done. Alright guys, we gotta go to gate 9.
Yo, bro, can I play too?
On your iPad? Yes.
Alright, so it's called Cabin Crew Simulator?
Yes, Cabin Crew Simulator.
Alright, number 1 or number 2?
There's just a number 1. Hey, there goes my Dash 8.
Alright, you guys are going to see me as... Wait, bro, what is the one with the, what is that called? What's it called? What's it called with, like, the bacon hair and all that stuff?
I don't know, actually.
Well, yeah.
Dang it, I forgot.
Alright.
A noob?
Yeah, we'll just call it a noob for now.
I'm sorry for kind of being mean to one of those guys, but...
No, it's okay.
We're not trying to be mean, okay? Don't hate on us. We love them. We love bacon. Yes.
Yeah, we're not being mean. We're just being honest and truthful.
Alright, y'all might want to skip this part because I'm about to help Michael right now.
Yeah, go ahead, help me. Excuse us, guys. We're gonna be pausing here for a second, and we'll get right back to it.
You're in my server. You're actually in my server.
What? How's that possible?
You're in my server, Michael.
What?
Well, at least you can come join me, I guess.
Oh, yeah, true.
Wait. Actually, you're here, Michael.
I'm here?
Mm-hmm. I'm going to take you to New York City.
New York City? Oh my gosh, I love
Alright, actually,
that
I'm going to
city.
actually probably have to restart here in a couple seconds. Yeah, I need to restart. I need to restart you.
You need to restart.
Sorry, guys, everybody. If you're still watching, skip this part, please.
Yeah, skip it. Because, yeah.
I can see myself on Michael's iPad. Let's take ourselves to New York City.
Yeah, New York City.
New York City.
If anyone went to New York City before, make sure you like the video if you've been to New York City.
Please. Hold up, boy. Wait, what's your... I think your name is FGTV fan.
What?
I don't know, but I just decided to make a random name.
I mean,
Invite.
Is that okay?
Hey, you're in the same network, right? Whoa. Magic. Well, guys, I'm really sorry, but I guess we cannot use the Dash 8. I guess we're just going to use this poor little plane. But I guess it's still a plane. Well, I don't think I can take you. I can't take you.
So, do
You're
I
just gonna have to do your own flight. Alright, I'm sorry, Michael, but you have to do
I like flying. That's okay.
Alright, buddy. Go to your gate.
Thank you. Oh, careful. Alright. So, do I just follow the arrow?
Yes, you follow the arrow.
Okay.
That's what you always do in the game.
Yep.
Dun, 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 dun. Alright, never mind, you guys. We can use the dash 8. Do I want to invite?
Alright, bro. I want to get to my gate. Gate 6. Can I start boarding at any time?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's just gonna pop up something to say that you can board.
Alright.
Helper, flight attendant, NPCs. Yes. Yes, I got one. NPC. Alright, gate 10. Let's go to gate 10, y'all. Wait, Michael, what gate were you?
Gate 6.
Gate 6. Okay. I see you. I see the airplane that you're flying.
Yo, do you see
You're
it?
traveling to New York City.
Yep, a plane.
Hey, just like we did, I think a month ago.
Yeah, that was a month ago. That was a really good trip. We should definitely go there again. Don't you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Yeah. I'm gonna start boarding.
I'm waiting for so many passengers, bro.
Yeah, actually, I'm just gonna stay here and wait for some other passengers. Yeah, we can't just leave without any passengers because then we take the trip for nothing. Yeah.
Oh, I gotta start boarding.
Wait,
Start boarding. All right, run. I gotta go start boarding. Gotta start boarding. It's gonna tell you a tutorial.
A tutorial, like a demonstration.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna role play this.
I'm actually starting to love this game. This is really cool. I never played it in my life, and I think it's so cool. I think I should play this more often. As a matter of fact, we should play it a lot at Thanksgiving break. Don't you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What a good
So
game.
here's our airplane, a Dash 8.
Okay, a Dash 8. I'm on,
You're on a CRJ 200, I think.
yeah.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a
How come there are no passengers in my plane yet?
remain off the whole flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Thank you. You gotta put that volume on me, I guess. I don't know if y'all heard that, but I think you're gonna hear the next thing that they're gonna probably say. So we gotta close the door. Alright, there we go. Now we gotta, sure. Actually, I'm gonna so close it up. Sure, you're sitting in the wrong position. Can you please put your seat in it? Thank you. Sure, buckle on. Damn, oh wait, no, there's still more people. Thank you. Nobody else? Alright, if anybody else... Hold on, wait, actually.
Now we request your full attention to flight attendants demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft.
There we go. I'm teaching them how to do safety stuff.
Belt. Insert the metal fittings one into the other and tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as you may experience.
You know what? No, this is crap. I
There
hate
was
it. Yeah, that's better. We got different angles of the aircraft, as y'all can see. I'm a pretty poor person because I started yesterday, and today I actually got the Dash 8 today. This game is really good. I would say it's better than Airplane Simulator, the other one that I used to play. I'd say it's better because the other game doesn't, like, you all know those landing gears that I've been talking about. I've been telling them to, like, make a realism landing gear. Like, whenever I pull up the landing gear will actually do an animation and just, like, go up like super slowly as like a real plane in real life. Right, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be super great. Slash, we also got our Christmas decorations, but I feel like it's a little too early.
Nah, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's alright, I guess.
Oh, and another thing. If you think that there should be Thanksgiving songs, then like this video as well.
Oh, Thanksgiving songs? I got you some songs.
Now we request your food.
There you go, buddy, like that.
Yeah, I love that.
I need to do it like that. Hold on. As you can see, our aircraft is apparently going close to the runway. And as I can see, I see a little plane and I'm crossing it over there. Goodbye, Michael.
Right?
I still see you. I see your airplane.
Yeah.
Oh boy, guys, hold on, wait, we gotta spy on Michael. I see Michael on the little gate.
Wait, yo, bro, how do I move it? How do I move the airplane? How do I make it take off?
How do you make it take off? Well, I gotta do it.
Alright, yeah, well, hurry up, because your plane's about to take off.
You gotta close the overhead bins, Michael. Close the overhead bins. You have to close these. Oh, Michael.
Flight attendants, please
Now,
be seated
now
for
people
takeoff.
with the dots on their head, try to get them to tell them that they're actually supposed to get in the right position for takeoff. Alright guys, we're takeoffing.
Alright,
Here we go, baby! Here we go! Goodbye, Michael! Goodbye! I'll see you later, buddy. I'll see you in New York, my man. Goodbye, Michael!
Bye, Mitchell!
And take off. Goodbye, Michael. Goodbye. And that's it. Michael's officially gone. I don't know why, I just made it so loud, but I like it. See, look, this plane looks beautiful. Okay, we're in the sky. I hope no
This is
disaster.
your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. Flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Alright, she wants a coffee. Got you the stupid coffee. What do you want? Cookie? Wait, how would I be selling cookies though? Yeah, drinks. This ain't no Coca-Cola. But
Oh, excuse you.
no Coca-Cola. Mountain Dew.
I'm taking off. This is so great.
Mountain Dew. You remember that meme? That one meme? Oh, wait, is it cookies? Oh, geez, I probably should have guessed that. Hold up, wait a second. I remember you from the last flight, and you said you were mean to me. You're gonna get kicked off this plane once I know what you are. You little critter. Oh, you just want to drink? Man, I'll just then what do you want? I mean, I guess coffee is a good thing to start off with.
Yep. Because it makes you hyped up, doesn't it?
What is a nut mix? Wait, hold on, wait. What is a nut mix? That just sounds kind of sussy. Thank you. No problem. Now, what the hell do you want to drink? Pepsi. Oh my God, bro. This ain't no Pepsi. Look, they know Pepsi. That's not Bro, you're not even drinking it from the lid. I mean, the straw. What are you doing? Okay, you just want food. What? Oh, I thought those were leaves. Leaves going around our engine. Apparently they're not. I hope not the plane's gonna crash. I hope not. This video is supposed to be normal. It's supposed to be normal. Normal flight.
Yeah, just a normal flight.
Michael, actually, you have a possibility of crashing. I'm not gonna lie.
What?
Yeah,
That's
you
not
do have a
possible.
possibility.
Oh no, I don't.
You're gonna die,
I'm gonna die.
Michael. You're gonna die, boy. Coca-Cola. Mountain Dew. Oh!
This is your captain speaking. We have experienced an issue with the aircraft and we are going to make a controlled crash
What?
landing immediately. Flight attendants,
No!
please make sure
Everybody
everyone is
get in the base.
position.
You, bro, get in the base position. Oh no!
Oh no!
This is the first
bro.
video. Why does it have to be the first video?
Bro, what?
People say if I sit in the back, I'll be okay. I gotta go 911. People, but people. Please.
Right.
Oh, bracing.
Captain,
Oh
the aircraft
no!
has landed but is on fire and may explode.
Oh my God.
Open the boarding doors and
Bro,
evacuate
you
all
totally-
Everybody, evacuate! Evacuate immediately! Everybody, evacuate! 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 Evacuate!
Evacuate!
Everybody's out, right? No. Come on. Evacuate! Come on! Everybody out! Everybody out! Come on. Everybody's out, right? I think so. Okay. Oh no, y'all! Oh! Two.
Oh my god!
I think the plane's rotten meat now.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes the police. We're just in the middle of a field. I love you, Dash 8. I loved you, but you crashed for no damn reason.
Yeah.
There goes a Dash 8. Little Dash 8. I just like the word Dash 8. Scared to scan it. Am I good? Please? Wait, how am I still alive from that?
I have no idea.
Oh wait, we made it to New York? How did I do that? Yeah, we made it to New York.
Dang, you made it to New York. That's so
My
cool.
next plane is an Embraer 175. But the one that I currently have right now is a Dash 8. But what about a CRJ 200? An ERJ 145? CRJ 200? The CRJ 200 looks better than the Dash 8. But the CRJ 200 is actually smaller than the Dash 8. We're gonna go to Blixian. I think this is gonna be a normal flight. This time, it's gotta be. There's no way it's gonna be big. Down. Bro, why does nobody want to join me? Horrible help attendant. I have another flight attendant. LDM. Who's LDM? Hire. Yeah, now you're hired, boy. Now I don't have to do everything. She can do everything. See, you're one of the girls. Hold on, I gotta get dressed up with her. Yes, basic male. There we go. I'm a flight attendant, but a boy flight attendant. Kind of goofy here. Please walk through one of the scanners. I'm scanning myself. Am I okay? I'm okay. Gate 10. So then that should be over here, right? It should be over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that.
Why? Daddy, daddy. Yeah. Minecraft. Yes. Start boarding. Yes. Is everybody boarding?
Oh yeah.
Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. The only guest flight attendants. What's up? What's up? Swag in Ohio. Swag in Ohio.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Thank you. You got everybody? Dang. Actually, you guys, I'm sorry, but we're at about 3%. So I think we have to end this video right here.
Yeah.
So everybody, we'll make a part 2. Don't worry. But it's time to finish the video. See y'all later, boys.